Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to check your Windows laptop generation. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Right click on your startup menu. Go ahead and click on run. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to type in MS Info 32. Then go ahead and hit on OK. And this particular dialog box here is going to pop up right here. So what you need to do here is to get to your processor right here. And then what you need is this particular number right here, 5200U. So what you want to do next is that you have to go ahead and bring out your browser. So I'm using Chrome browser right here. So what you want to do is to come to this site right here and say, what is Gen what's the size? 5200U. Then hit enter. Then you have detail right here. iTel Core 5200U is 5th generation, and the processor, as the case may be. You can click on iTel right here and see detail. So if you go back to your system information right here, you have i5 52U CPU, which is iTel Core. So let's go back to the web right here. So I'm coming back right here. So you have detail. So release date of this particular version, it was released in 2015. So if you go back to your system information right here, so you find out that the PC was released right here, which is 2015 right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and read detail about this particular version. So it comes with HD graphics 5500 and with frequency up to 2.7. If you come back to your PC details right here, you have everything right here. Your system version, which is 2.7. Let's go back to the web right here. It's that simple. So with this, you are able to know your Windows PC generation without any stress. You can go on and know any PC generation with this particular method right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.